To everything with my bread at, you feel me? Nah, man, I don't owe word? Say less. What? What? Travis Scott toys came with just the Travis Scott. Well, mine's came with my niece toys. All the shorties, you feel me? What's poppin', beautiful people up in YouTube land? I put the 3G value, you feel me? And today I got an item that I forgot I ordered these, because I mean that's how long it took. I mean it was to a point where like I thought Adidas did a world record in sending me them teal blues that dropped yesterday and shipped it to me in like a few hours. If you didn't check that video out, check that out. Put the link down below. I just did that video. Fire. But the item I'm actually talking about is the Travis Scott Fortnite action figure dual pack. You feel me? Not one, but you get two toys, which is fire. I can't wait. I'm ecstatic to check these out. I didn't open them up yet, or whatever the case may be, so let's check it out. Yeah, man, this presentation is fire. Box, it's OD. Yeah, this box is fire, bro. Like legit, the box came like a sneaker box. So I'm like, oh, you know, them drinks came. But I'm like, damn, they came in like 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours. That means they shipped it up. They shipped the sneakers up and it just ran to my crib. But nah, it was this. I looked, I'm like, oh, I forgot. Finally, since April or whatever. That is a long time. But look and behold, man. Pristine condition. Like I said, man, it's my first time looking at these just like you guys. I'm about to unds it. I mean, I wanted it anyway, so I'm not, it's not like I wanted to sell this. There's no resale on it yet. They got something in here. Let's see what this is. Probably the ordering number or whatever. Wait, it makes sounds? Oh nah, this is lit, boy. So apparently the disco man, I forgot what they call him, the actual man, he comes with batteries, so he makes sounds or whatever. So this might be yeah, I definitely have to do this. Batteries are damn. A lot of stuff. Demo batteries is included. Okay. Press the button directly down. So we're gonna start with I was gonna start with the Travis face one first, but no, I'm interested in this guy. I got the blue sixes. Wait, where's the button? They gave me a defective one. What's not got? Oh, press down at the bottom. Like, duh, stupid. I gotta put new batteries in it. How do you take this shit off? Oh, psst. He's flexible, guys. He's flexible. I feel like a kid right now. I don't know. Last time I copped the action figure. Well, we gonna deal with that later. I just want to like just take in the actual two guys. And he come with his little hammer, his little Cactus Jack hammer. Little, this is big. Knock somebody out. It's lit. Just putting this on, bro. Go in. Fire. He go, pew, pew. That's dope. That's dope. He got the sixes on, even though it should have been the actual Cactus Jack sixes that he dropped. Got some blue ones, cause he in the actual Fortnite video game he has those sixes on, just like this. But let's check out Travis Scott face. Now for this one, yeah, he got the ones on. Let me turn it on. He got the ones on. I see you, Travis. Okay. Okay. He got his little gun. I was gonna get this gun too, bro. Right when I was about to get it, you ain't sold out. So he got the stizzy in his hand, boy. Wait, what the hell? All right, so this goes here. That's how you can tell I never had a gun in my hand. You getting crazy? You about to get crazy? He's like, yeah, do. Yeah, I'm a kid right now, bro. He got the Travises. Let's see if he did a great job with the Travis. Let's see if he did a great job. Okay. So Travis got the. No, I got it. Let's get him in stance right now. Do. He about to. Oh, he bigger than him. Yeah, bro, these are fire, bro. These are fire. Like, I like the detail on this Travis, the Travis one, bro. Like his face. Like he really looked like the Terminator, bro. With his Jesus chain, his little Jesus chain. You feel me? Then he got the steel coming out in the back. That's fire. His cargo's is top 5 too. Yeah, Travis Scott's gonna keep winning, bro. Not even gonna hold you, man. This is genius, bro. Got grown ass men like me playing with action figures right now, bro. Me and Travis Scott damn near the same age. We all the same age. What am I doing? But nah, this is funny. Niggas even got his tats on point. I mean, I never really looked at his tats up close like that. But back to this one, man. I'm about to actually see what batteries this needs. Alright, so apparently I didn't need the new batteries. I guess like when it dies out there, but that's basically what it does. I thought it made sounds, but this is fire. This headlights up. Cause now I'm gonna put homies in the back. I'm gonna have, you know, little shelves, like maybe 1 or 2, cause I got other, you know, little toys and stuff that I got coming on the way. So yeah. Background about to be fire. You feel me? So yeah, I mean it's only on for like 5 seconds. So damn, I wish it was on for like as long as until you press the button off. That'd be fire in the back. Just whoop. That's dope. But I ain't gonna hold you. This took like 10 years to take off. You can put his little fire little cape on. Cape hoodie, bro. See, look. This joint is hard. I'm about to break the goddamn toy. You can tell I haven't played with a toy in years. The joint took like 20 years, man. Fire. For a second, I thought this lit up. I was like, oh, got some wireless action going on. Yo, but all in all, man, I like what I got, man. I like the presentation, man. Like I said, man, I wish that the 6s was more defined on his feet, but it's a toy at the end of the day. But I mean, they did a great job with these, so like legit. Can you take these? No, you can't take these. Imagine taking over, but get, you know, we got them little keychain 6s. You can put the Travis Scott 6s on him. That'd be fire. But I mean, next thing, man, I wish they would have did the McDonald's Travis Scott. That would have been fire too, cause he looked more like a Barbie. That one was like the way he, you know, the commercial look, he looked like a Barbie. And I know it's like 5 or 10 made. So whoever had those, you had a real MVP for those, for that doll. But like, yo, bro, you talking nigga? It was good. It was good. Do. Feel me? Nah. Dodge. Yeah, bro, I'm a little bit too happy right now. When it comes to who chain is better in the comment box? Who chain is better? I think homie right here chain better. He got the Jesus. Travis got the Jesus piece, but Earth Travis Scott. What is the name of this dude? I forgot. I say that the Fortnite, since like they first dropped the skins for it, and it was his actual name was on there.
Oh brother, this guy.
But y'all can let me know in the comment box down below. But I think his chain might be better. He got a little horse on there. But that was the video, man. Comment down below. Did you guys cop? I forgot that this joint released, bro. Like awesome. Like that's what talk about. This is probably the longest like I ever had a package come in the mail. That's April, so that's April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 6 months. I mean, they did say it was about 6 months that it was gonna come. But goddamn, bro. You order something like that. I know the McDonald's. I got a few of the McDonald's joints. I know that joint's gonna take forever for some of that stuff to come too. But yeah, man, it's your boy G. I'm out of here. Peace. Rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm stargazing. Yeah, it's lit. Don't you open up that window. Don't you let it go. You see these, man? You see these feet, man? You see the feet? You doing a Jordan sound right now. Oh yeah, definitely my next action figure gotta be Jordan, bro. To put him right by Jordan. Oh my god, that'd be dope. Both got Jordans on too. Fire, fire. Yeah, I'm having too much fun. Oh.
Hi, I'm Paul.